Continuing right along in our notes, we want to find the slope and y-intercept. We're going to put it in, format it into slope-intercept form. So we're going to solve for y, just like our literal equations from the beginning of the year. Adding 6x to both sides gives us this. I like to write it as the x term before the y-intercept term. And then divide everything by 3. Make sure you divide all the things by 3, not just one or the other. So make sure you get every term divided by that coefficient. And there you go. That is the slope-intercept form of that equation. Next example, graphing it. So when we graph, we always start with the y-intercept. So I'm going to put that line on the y-axis. And then from there, we utilize the slope. Now, if it gives you just an integer, we need a rise over run. So remember that 3 is really the same as 3 over 1. So 3 is our vertical change, and 1 is our horizontal change. So we're going to start at the y-intercept and find another point moving from the y-intercept up 3, forward 1. That gives us our next point. Continue the pattern. It should form a straight line. Sure, let's do another example on this video. Actually, no, I'll do this one on the next one.